A ball is thrown vertically upwards from the ground level at 10 meters per second. A girl leans out of a window 4 meters high from the ground and catches the ball on its way down. A. What was the time of flight of the ball? And B. How fast was the ball travelling when the girl catches it? Well, sometimes it's good to draw a little sketch. So what's going to happen, the ball goes up, it's going to reach a height and then come back down, and the girl's going to catch it 4 meters from the ground. So if we take the ground to be the origin and upwards as positive and downwards as negative, so the ground level is to be the origin and upwards as positive, then we have that u is 10 meters per second. The gravity, though, will be minus 9.8 meters per second because it's acting against, because that acts downwards. We want to know the time when s is equal to 4 meters. Now we would expect two answers to this problem because there'll be one here on its way up, but don't forget it goes all the way back and all the way back down again, and there'll be another answer when it's on its way down. This is why drawing the diagram might help your understanding. So s is equal to ut plus a half at squared. So 4 will be equal to 10 times t plus a half times minus 9.8 t squared. It's important to get the signs correct. So that makes a quadratic equation. 4.9 t squared minus 10t plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to use our knowledge of pure maths that we solve quadratics using the quadratic formula. So using that, we're going to have that t is minus 10 plus or minus the square root of minus 10 squared minus 4 times 4.9, because a is 4.9, times 4 divided by 2 times 4.9. That's going to give 10 plus or minus the square root of 21.6 over 9.8. So it's going to give t is equal to 0.546 seconds, or t is equal to 1.49 seconds. So here this first one will be 0.546 seconds, and then this one here will be 1.49 seconds. This is the time upwards, and this is when the time when the girl actually catches the ball, which is the answer to the problem, 1.49 seconds. However, if you're going to use this in another part of the question, you must make sure you don't use something that has been rounded off. So we require for part B the displacement when s is equal to 4. So if we use v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as, we're going to get v squared is equal to 10 squared plus 2 times minus 9.8 times 4. So we're going to have 21.6. That all comes to 21.6. And therefore v will be equal to minus 4.65 meters per second, or 4.65 meters per second. This is the upward one, and this would be the downward one. Now you could do it by using v is equal to u plus at. So you use 10 plus minus 9.8. Now here you have to make sure you've not used a rounded off value. So minus 9.8 times 1.4946, which again will give you minus 1.65 meters per second. So the ball was travelling downwards at 4.65 meters per second when the girl catches it.